The Dodge Ram 2500 diesel is a powerhouse of a truck, known for its impressive towing capabilities, rugged off-road performance, and durability. However, to make the most of these features, having the right shocks is essential. Shocks, also known as shock absorbers, play a crucial role in your vehicle's suspension system by absorbing impacts from the road and maintaining a smooth ride. Number 1. Bilstein 5100 Series Shocks for Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel. The Bilstein 5100 Series shocks are one of the most popular choices for heavy-duty vehicles like the Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel. Designed for off-road enthusiasts and daily drivers alike, these shocks are engineered to provide superior ride quality both on and off the road. Bilstein has a long-standing reputation for producing high-performance shock absorbers, and the 5100 series does not disappoint. The shocks are equipped with Bilstein's unique monotube design, which allows for superior heat dissipation and better performance under heavy load conditions. This makes them ideal for drivers who tow or haul heavy loads, as well as those who spend a lot of time driving off-road. These shocks are available for various lift heights and are easily adjustable to suit your specific driving needs. Whether you're taking your truck off-road or cruising on the highway, the Bilstein 5100 ensures a smooth and controlled ride. Key features: monotube design offers improved performance and heat dissipation for longer life and better ride quality. Heavy-duty construction, built to handle the demands of towing and off-road driving, providing maximum stability. Adjustable for lifted vehicles, available in different lift options to match various suspension setups. Enhanced handling, improves handling and control, especially when carrying heavy loads or navigating rough terrain. Corrosion-resistant, the Bilstein 5100's construction is designed to resist corrosion, making it perfect for various weather conditions. Number 2. Rancho RS 9000 XL Shocks for Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel. Rancho is a well-respected name in the suspension industry, known for creating products that are both durable and performance-oriented. The Rancho RS 9000 XL shocks for the Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel are designed with versatility in mind. Whether you are looking for a shock that handles rough trails or smooth highways, the Rancho RS 9000 XL is up to the task. What makes the RS 9000 XL stand out is its 9-position damping adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the ride quality based on your specific needs. This means you can adjust the shocks for softer settings when cruising on highways or stiffen them up when you're tackling difficult off-road terrain. The shocks also feature a large 2.75-inch body, which enhances oil capacity and improves heat dissipation. In terms of performance, the RS 9000 XL excels in providing a balance of comfort and control, making it an excellent option for drivers who use their truck for both everyday driving and off-road adventures. Key features: 9-position damping adjustment gives you complete control over the shock stiffness for varying road conditions. Large 2.75-inch body increases oil capacity for better heat dissipation, which leads to improved performance over time. Off-road ready, designed to handle rough and uneven terrain, ensuring a stable and controlled ride. Durable construction, manufactured with heavy-duty materials that can withstand extreme driving conditions. Easy installation, direct fitment for most Dodge Ram 2500 diesel models, making the installation process simple. Number 3. Fox 2.0 Performance Series Shocks for Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel. For truck owners who demand top-notch performance and extreme durability, the Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks are a top choice. These shocks are designed to withstand the harshest conditions, making them ideal for off-road adventures and heavy-duty use. Fox is well known for its high-performance suspension products, and the 2.0 Performance Series is no exception. What makes these shocks stand out is the use of a nitrogen-charged, monotube design. This configuration provides consistent damping performance by preventing aeration, which is common in twin-tube designs. The result is improved ride quality, better handling, and long-lasting durability. Fox 2.0 shocks are also fitted with a large 2-inch diameter steel body that allows for excellent heat dissipation, preventing the shocks from fading during extended periods of rough driving. Key features: monotube design provides superior damping performance and prevents aeration, ensuring a more stable ride. 2-inch steel body improves heat dissipation and helps maintain consistent performance. Nitrogen charged prevents shock fade, making it ideal for off-road and heavy-duty applications. Improved handling enhances ride quality and control both on road and off-road. Durability built to handle extreme off-road conditions, providing reliability over time. Number 4 KYB Monomax shocks for Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. If you're looking for a shock that provides excellent on-road handling while still delivering strong performance off the beaten path, the KYB Monomax shocks are an excellent choice. KYB has a long-standing reputation for manufacturing high-quality suspension components, and the Monomax series is one of their best offerings for the Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. These shocks are designed with a monotube construction, which offers superior performance, especially under heavy loads. The internal design provides enhanced oil flow, which allows for consistent performance, regardless of the conditions. The KYB Monomax shocks are also gas-charged, which helps prevent shock fade and ensures long-term reliability. With these shocks, you can expect a smooth and stable ride, whether you're towing heavy loads or navigating rocky terrain. Key features: monotube design ensures a consistent ride and handling, especially when dealing with rough conditions. Gas-charged prevents shock fade, ensuring reliable performance over time. Heavy-duty construction, ideal for towing, hauling, and off-roading, providing exceptional durability. Improved oil flow helps maintain consistent shock performance under heavy loads. Enhanced stability provides superior control and stability, even in tough driving conditions. Number 5 Tough Country EZ Ride Nitro shocks for Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. Tough Country's EZ Ride Nitro shocks are an excellent choice for anyone seeking an affordable yet high-performance shock for their Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. These shocks are designed for trucks that see a lot of off-road action while still offering a smooth ride on paved roads. The EZ Ride Nitro shocks feature a twin-tube design with nitrogen gas to reduce shock fade and improve overall performance. This design provides a softer ride while still maintaining the necessary support for off-road adventures. These shocks are ideal for those who need an all-around shock for daily driving, towing, and off-road usage. Tough Country also incorporates heavy-duty construction materials in the EZ Ride Nitro series, ensuring the shocks are built to last, even under extreme conditions. Key features: twin-tube design offers a more comfortable ride by enhancing shock absorption. Nitrogen gas charged reduces fade and enhances shock performance over time. Durable construction, designed to last in tough conditions, perfect for off-roading. Affordable price, provides high-quality performance at a more accessible price point. Versatile performance, ideal for everyday driving, towing, and off-road use. Conclusion: choosing the right shocks for your Dodge Ram 2500 diesel is crucial to maximizing your truck's performance and ride comfort. Whether you're looking for a high-performance shock for off-road use or a more affordable option for everyday driving, there's something for everyone on Aliexpress. The Bilstein 5100, Rancho RS 9000 XL, Fox 2.0, KYB Monomax, and Tough Country EZ Ride Nitro all offer unique features that cater to different driving needs.